Namaste everybody, welcome to my channel. You're watching Study and Praxis and this is the first video of exam and praxis series for exam preparation. In today's video, as you already know, we're going to discuss about how to make your customized exam plan. Well, we all know exam plan is a very important part of exam preparation because the whole preparation depends on your plan for an exam. If you don't plan for an exam, the result might get disturbed. Your expectations will not be met if you don't have a proper plan to go by. And so, with this video, let's make a customized plan for ourselves. So the very first step is to have a look at when your exams are going to be conducted. If you are not given academic planner from your college or school, then ask your teachers tentative dates ki is month mein exam ho sakte hain, so that we have a deadline for ourselves and to our preparation that this is the moment when I have to get done with my studies. So yeah, know the dates. The second step is to grab your syllabus. You know that your exams are approximately at this month and now you have to know कि syllabus आने क्या वाला है exam में. And for that, you need to ask your teachers or refer the academic plan that is given for the year. So now, ask all the teachers what is going to be the syllabus for this examination. Make a list. You can refer to the book, make a list, prepare at one place कि कहाँ से क्या क्या आने वाला है, कौन से चैप्टर्स आने वाले हैं, कौन से बुक्स मुझे ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, क्या मुझे बुक्स की एक्चुअली ज़रूरत पड़ेगी नहीं पड़ेगी, पूरा सिलेबस राइट इट इन अ डिटेल कि दिस इज़ गोना बी माय सिलेबस. एंड हियर and if you don't feel like writing it like that, you can have a planner or a place like I have. Like I want my whole syllabus for the year to be written at one place, so I write it in this way. That's exactly my planner ka view that I'm showing. My college syllabus that's written. So I have sociology, economics, political science, everything written at one place. I also have a checklist like this to make sure that I check it. For example, here I have written the syllabus, the chapters that are going to come, and here I have a checklist for each subtopic. So yeah, you can do that. Once you're done writing the whole syllabus at one place, the next step is going to be to do the division of your whole syllabus and your exam days. For example, my exam days are going to be around March 15 to 25 or 18th, and I have say number of days left like 30, for example. And now I have to see whether the number of chapters or units in total of my syllabus are how much. So I have 40 chapters and 30 days left. So per day, how much time or how much things or tasks I have to do is say 2 chapters. I know it will make 1.33 something, but I am rounding it off so that if anything happens, one day I miss it, I am left with another day blank with it. So yeah, 2 chapters. And the next thing that I'm writing is the date, which is today. And then I am gonna see कि action plan मेरा कितने दिन का होने वाला है. So it's 30 days from 1st Feb till 2nd March, and this is the action plan. For more similar videos like how should your exam preparation day look like, क्या पढ़ना चाहिए, how to start studying all these, make sure you subscribe to the channel and let's move on. So for example, I have 5 subjects and say I have 8 chapters per subject too. So I have 5 subjects like political science, economics, torts, sociology and contracts, and now I'm going to divide them, I'm going to mark them and rank them as per the difficulty level. So for example, I feel that tort is the most toughest for me, and then contract, and likewise I have divided the difficulty level. And now I'm writing all the dates from 1st Feb till 2nd March. That's going to be the action plan duration for the exam preparation down, so that I know each day I have divided with certain tasks. See. So as I know I have to do 8 chapters per subject and tort is the most difficult one, I'm going to put it first in the whole preparation strategy. I'm going to put torts 4 days, 2 chapters per day and 1 day for revisions. Likewise for the contracts one, 4 days and then 1 day for revision, and similar goes with pol science, the 1 day for revision, and then economics, 1 day for revision. Likewise sociology and 1 day for revision. and I'm still left with days for second read, revision, and tests. If you're kind of a person who doesn't like to do only one subject for number of days, then we can take 8 days ka chunk and we can distribute it in two. Like I have TOTS, the most toughest and most easiest or most interesting one, sociology, matched together, and I'm going to do one chapter per subject daily. So yeah, I have 8 days, then 2 days for revision, and similar goes with other chunks like 8 days for contracts and economics, one chapter each per subject daily, then again 2 days for revision, poli science alone for 4 days, and then still I'm left with days to revise, second read, and take tests. Now we already know what is our daily, weekly and monthly plan or target to achieve. We have to now find out which part of the day is going to be the most productive one, most focused and concentrated for us to study. So what is that part? Are you an early bird or are you a night owl? Find it out for yourselves. Also remember that you have to have your daily, your monthly, your weekly targets to achieve. And wish you all the luck for exams.
हमें एक एग्जाम प्लान कैसे बनाना है, we have just seen it. So now make your own exam plan, your own customized exam plan, and tell me in the comment section how did you like this video. For the next 2 most important videos that are going to come, and there are going to be more videos that are going to come, make sure you subscribe to the channel and tell me how did you find this. Thank you. This is me Ananta signing off. You're watching Study and Praxis. Namaste.